Watch what this mom made her son do after he hurt a helpless kitten.
With your PlayStation 5, how you picked my cat up and slammed it on the ground multiple times. Do it. Now pick it up and do it again. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me move this for you, baby, so you know it's real. I want you to raise it up on your tiptoes and slam that bitch as hard as you can like you did my motherfucking cat. Pick it up and do that shit again. Since you got anger issues, we gonna fix them today. Pick it up and do that shit again. Pick it up and do that shit again. Pick that shit up and do it again. Pick that shit up and do it again. Pick that shit up and do it again. This is your punishment. Now pick all that shit up and throw it in the trash. Put some stuff down. Now go ahead and throw that down. Bust it, bust it. I want hard. Bust that bitch hard. Yeah, go get it and do it again. And I want you to pick up all this shit. Bust that shit up. Like you did my animal. Yep. Pick that bitch up and do it again. Make sure that hoe broke. All right, now pick your trash up and go put in the dumpster.
Do you think he deserved that lesson? Let me know in the comments.